Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Are you tired of constant interruptions while working on your Windows 11 PC? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the wonderful world of Do Not Disturb. In this quick and easy guide, we'll show you how to enable this handy feature on your Windows 11 system. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone who values uninterrupted focus, this video is for you. So grab your mouse and keyboard because it's time to take control of your notifications and reclaim your productivity. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To enable Do Not Disturb on Windows 11, use these steps. Right-click on the Start button, then click on Settings. Click on System. Click the Notifications tab. Turn on the Do Not Disturb toggle switch to stop distractions on Windows 11. Once you've followed these steps, your Windows 11 system will mute all notification banners, ensuring a peaceful work environment. It's worth noting, though, that while the banners are silenced, you can still find all your alerts conveniently stored in the Notification Center. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tutorials. Stay tuned for future content and never miss out on the latest tips and tricks.